Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix apps not working in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After update your internet connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update. Now on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and then here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and then again click on reset phone. Now on top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it, and now enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.